In last video, I talked about Forex funded accounts, and today I will share my experience with funded Forex accounts, lessons learned, and I hope that this will be beneficial for you. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and right now I will just talk a little bit about math. So if you decide to enter into any kind of Forex funded program, let me assume that you are average good trader. In that case, your decision can be that you will risk 0.25% per trade and maximum one trade per time. And some good result should be and can be 0.5% profit by average per month. In this calculation, I need to calculate that sometimes you will have a drawdowns, have a problem, have a loss, and maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks you will be nowhere with a small drawdown or maybe loss, and then you will recover, etc., etc. Because of that, I need to calculate 0.5% profit by average per month. Because you have a 3 stages in the bootcamp program, you will need a 15% profit to get $100,000 funded account. In that case, based on this equation, you will need around 10 months, I say 10 months, to achieve the 15% target, actually 5%, then 5%, then 5% target, which is around 10 months. You have time limit 1 year. So everything is fine, and you should calculate around 10 months for your goal. Of course, I know that majority of traders, I think 95% of them, will start to risk a lot. They will pass very fast first or 2 stage and then fail on the stage number 3 or something like that. Actually, they will again and again try, and maybe the 5, 6, 7 times try and then succeed, but it's not good story. You need to show that you're a professional trader, and you cannot burn account, you cannot make huge drawdowns, and because of that you cannot risk a lot. So please, my advice is always risk very small positions. Like I said, I risk 0.25% per trade. So let me create some kind of math. If you choose a bootcamp program, after 10 months you will get 100,000 live account. After each 2 years approximately, you will double your account. That means after 3 years demo plus live, you will have $200,000. After 5 years, $500,000, and after 7 years you will manage $2 million account. This calculation we can change because there is another program, Hypergrowth, and this program tell that you double your account. Actually, I think you double your account every 6 to 8 months, and but you start from a 10,000 live account. So you will need at least 1 year, if you're very fast, to increase your portfolio from $10,000 up to $40,000. Maybe you will need 1.5 years, maybe 2 years, I don't know. But let me assume that you are very fast and you have a very good strategy, etc. You can get, in 1 year, you can manage $40,000. In the year 2, you will manage $160,000. Year 3, you will have more than $500,000, it would be $640,000. And in the year 4, you can achieve $2 million. So, as you can see, you can maybe be faster. This is hypergrowth because you double your account almost in every 6 to 8 months if you're a good trader. However, this can be very risky, and sometimes this can be even slow. And the problem is when you trade with $10,000 account, $20,000 account, $40,000 account, you, after profit split, you can see it will be a couple $100. So you can imagine you trade 6 months, 8 months, and after that you have only a couple $100. And trader cannot overcome that. They risk too much, and because of that, very fast they started to increase their position size, and usually they blow up account. So this is program excellent, but only if you're very patient trader. If you can wait 2 years to start to earn real salary. So just think about this. This can be interesting for you too. And just to tell one very important thing, this YouTube channel is not investment advice channel. This channel only create wisdom, and we just analyze various situations for traders that manage portfolios, have funded Forex account, and we just need to have some kind of plan. Plan is very good. So right now, let me go to the website. Let me start to think about experience that I will share with you. Right now, I'm on the website. So I'm watching a bootcamp program. Like I said the last time, we have a free challenges, 5% target and 5% target. And actually, it's a maximum loss 5%. It's a 6 and 6% of target. Yes, it's a 6%. I didn't see that. However, as you can see, you will need a couple years sometimes you need a couple years to double your account, 1.5, and this is not fast, but this is the steady growth. And I think because you start with $100,000, after every split, you will have at least, as you can see, you will have at least more than $2,000, and this can be interesting for you as a trader. Like I said, the first thing that I want to share with you as a trader, as my personal experience in this journey, is the problem with drawdown. For example, let me start with the 100K. You started, your maximum loss is $4,000, your profit target is $5,000. Now you are trading, everything is fine, you make trades, etc., etc. And in one moment you make a drawdown 1, 2, 3%. You need to be ready to decrease your position size. And this is very tough because people, when lose, they want to increase the stake. You know, if you play a little roulette and you lost 80% of your money, then you want to increase the stake. It's a natural gambling field. But it's wrong. You need to decrease position size. Why? Because in that case, you will not blow up your account. This is the most important thing. And you will recover. You will recover in some moment. Maybe you will have 1 or 2 months to recover, to decrease your drawdown, and then you can back with your initial position size. Like I said, in the beginning, you can create various trades, but believe, never trade more than 0.5%. I trade 0.25%, but never trade 0.5% more than that, because in just several positions, losing positions, you can make so huge drawdown that you will never recover after that. So be cautious, very, very cautious. There is another strategy. I know traders, they start aggressively. So they create a 0.5% trades, make some profit, and when they see losing strike, they decrease position size a little bit, and after 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, they recover and they continue to be maybe aggressive. But you need to be ready always to decrease your position size. This is the advice for this kind of account. Now, I just want to talk a little bit about these rules, and a lot of people need to understand that these rules are not mistake. See this rule. The stop loss in any position must not reach more than 2% of account balance. So always put the stop loss and always try to keep much way down below the 2%. Sometimes because of a wrong stop loss, just the wrong stop loss, you can get violation, and after a few violations, your account will be just closed, because you cannot afford this kind of mistakes. Another thing is that the problem with holding open trades overnight. Actually, this is not a bad thing. In my experience as a trader, it's always better if you have a good position, if you believe in your position, if the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, everything on your side, just keep it during the week. I know a lot of traders and a lot of prop companies, they just push you close the trades during the night, close, and what's happened? You will always go in a bad position during the Monday, and it's much better position during the Friday. Leave that trade and then just continue to trade. However, try to if you have a strong position, for example, you have a very aggressive position during the Friday, the best thing is you can you can close half of your trade, even losing, even winning trade. Just close half position and then put that half during the overnight, put it during the Monday and Tuesday, and you have a pillow test. Pillow test is you can sleep without any kind of worry because you don't risk a lot. And that pillow test is a very, very good advice for any kind of a trader. Always, if you're a swing trader, this problem can be dangerous for you. Accounts without activity for more than 21 days will be closed. Sometimes if you're a swing trader, you just trade, every one position per 5 days. You just don't like to overtrade, and you wait and wait and wait. And sometimes if you wait too much, after 21 days, maybe holiday, maybe you just didn't open a trade. After 21 days, your account can be closed. And you try to always monitor everything, to have a plan, to even you don't have a trade, so just open account, check is everything all right. Be progressive, be very cautious. It's very important thing. And this is the right way to do. And the very, very important thing here is if you a very patient trader, this hypergrowth program can be interesting for you. Look this, like I said in the presentation a couple minutes ago, you will start with a live account. You will pay a fee of $260. Yes, of course, it's almost 3 times bigger amount than in the bootcamp program. But if you choose this, you will just get 10,000 live account. And if you 8, 6, 7, 9 months, you just double your account. You can double your account 2 times per year, and very soon, like I said, maybe in 4 years, you can have $2 million account. When you double 10, 20, 80, and 160, and as you can see, you always manage more than $300,000 and $600,000. When you double your account, you see the strong progress very, very, very fast. But like I said, when you trade with the 10 grands, 10K, you will target 10%. 10% is $1,000. When you split on 2 halves, it's $500. So you will get a salary of $500 after 6, 7, or 8 months of trade. It's a so small amount, and you need to be very patient to keep your strategy. Nothing to change, and be happy with $500, because you know that in 1 or 2 years you will manage a large account, and then your salary will be $5,000, $10,000 per month, and this is the real money for every kind of a trader. So in this stage, I just want to tell you that in my experience, if you're a very, very patient trader, if you're a very cautious trader, and if you can wait 1 year to get $500, as a salary for your trading time and everything, you should take this program. A lot of traders do this kind of a deal. They open 2 accounts, one for hypergrowth and 1 account for bootcamp program. So in the same time, you manage 2 accounts, and in the same time, you try 2 kind of strategies, and you manage 2 accounts at the same time, and you can manage 2 times to $4 million. There's no limitation about that. However, this prop company need a proof that your trades in both accounts are different. You cannot have the same trades in 2 accounts. So, for example, you can apply euro-dollar strategy in 1 account and British pound-dollar on another account. Or you can trade a major Forex pairs on 1 account, maybe metals on the other account. So you can make any kind of a strategy. My advice is, if you have a good strategy, just change currency pair. On 1 account euro-dollar, British pound-dollar, on other account Kiwi-dollar, Aussie-dollar, something like that. And this can be very, very good solution. So this is my advice and my experience that I can share with you. In my experience, I had a very, very bad moments. Even I'm experienced trader, I had moments when I just make so big drawdown, and then I needed maybe 5 months or 4 months to recover and then to continue to trade. And I know I had a huge problems when I managed $100,000 account, because I really traded more than 12 months. I had a problem with the timing and everything. I couldn't reach the target because I had a bad moments. So it's not about the strategy. It's about always about money management. So I know that a lot of traders believe in some super expert advice, just run that expert advice and earn a lot of money, but don't believe in fairy tales. Just think about money management. It's 80% of success. And if you keep and follow the trend and try to create a good strategies, I think that you will succeed. This is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.